Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's time for an update on the house. We've had a lot of things going on the last few days, and today I'm going to show you, if you caught that video a few days ago, probably a week ago, we had a contractor come to the house and just suddenly leave. Made up a bunch of excuses why he couldn't do his job. Me and him kind of exchanged words back and forth. Well, something crazy happened after that. I posted that video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll put a little iCard right up there. You guys can check that out later on if you want. But after that video, something crazy happened. Last week, I got a phone call. I got a phone call from a gentleman named Sean. He was from the same company that left the job site, just kind of unannounced. Whenever I called him, I didn't know he was leaving. Well, you go check that video out. You can see what I'm talking about. But anyway, Sean called me from this company here in Oklahoma. I'm not going to name the names or anything like that, but he called me and said, hey, he said, hey Dutch, this is Sean from so-and-so company. I'm just reaching out to you to talk to you about what's going on with your flooring. And I said, oh, okay, so we're talking and stuff, and comes to find out, Sean is a homesteader also. He has pigs and all that stuff. He actually sells registered tamworths, I think. So after talking to him a little bit, we talked about that and stuff. Come to find out, though, Sean is the owner of the floor company that was supposed to do my floor when the guy left. Well, he called and asked me about if that guy was, we talked about the situation, if that guy was as rude as I made it sound like on video, and yes, he was. I wasn't trying to get him in trouble, but you guys got to check that video out. I don't want to go through the whole story again. But anyways, Sean was checking. He goes, after I did a little research, I found out my company's the one that's doing your floor. He goes, I watch your videos. I watch yours, your videos, Daniel's from Marshall and Homestead's videos, and Stony Creek Heritage Farms videos all the time on YouTube. So whenever I watch your video, he goes, I've been watching your house build. He goes, whenever I seen that Lowe's was the ones that were supposed to do your carpet, he goes, that's my company that does this. So he goes, I want to make this right. He goes, we're sending someone out there. Well, I'm going to tell you what, Sean made it right. Let's check this out. He got the carpet done. He sent a crew out here a couple days ago. They did a fantastic job. Let's look in here in Hayden's room. Look at this. The carpet looks awesome. Hayden's actually already got her bed delivered, got her new furniture in here. So, I mean, the place is coming along nicely. We'll come in here. I'll show you all the rooms. But, yeah, they did an awesome job. I'll show you the closet, too. And I couldn't be more pleased with Sean's professionalism and his company. He said that was really out of characteristic for that old boy. Maybe that guy was just having a bad day. I don't know. Well, they got it done. We still don't have our central heat on, but it's been in the mid 50s, and we do have a heater in here. And I'll show you this room. Carpet looks great. But like I said, I still didn't have the electric's supposed to be hooked up like 2 or 3 days ago. They haven't done it yet, and I need to do an update on that. We're gonna walk in here and show you all the master bedroom, and I'll show you upstairs. The carpet, I'm just happy. I'm pleased with it. Sean made it right. He got the guys out here, and they got it done. Here we go. This is our room. This is the master bedroom. And we'll go over here and go upstairs. I do have some footage of his crew out here working, and I'll show a little bit of that. Let's go up the stairs. Doesn't that look good? What do y'all think? Time to move in. My deer blind right here. Look at there. There's Lily. You see Lily? Hey, Lily. She's a cute little dog. Oh, yeah. This is the bonus room. This is upstairs. Probably the kids' toy where they'll play at and stuff. But yeah, what is the chances? What's the odds of the owner of the floor company that lays the flooring, the carpet, watches my video here in Oklahoma. He's from Oklahoma also, obviously. But what's the odds of that? What is the odds of him watching our channel, mine, Daniel's channel, and Stony Creek's channel? I just thought that was crazy. That's awesome. It just show you how small of a world it really is. I never would expected the owner to call me and apologize for his contractor acting the way he did. Like he said, it was uncharacteristic of him. He having a bad day or something. I don't know. But yeah, everything turned out great. The carpet's installed. Guys, we are right there, ready to move in. Let me show you something else too. That's pretty cool. I'm telling you, we're right there. Okay, so Christmas is just a few days away, and Thanksgiving was our goal. Christmas was our goal. I mean, we're busting it out a month at a time. We could probably, if they would get the electric hooked up, there's still a chance they can get hooked up today. May not happen, but if it does, I mean, we could get moved in here before Christmas. But at this point, we don't care. We still got a lot of cleaning and stuff to do. So instead of rushing things, say they get the electric on today, like I said, we could move in. But instead of rushing things, check this out. We got the water hooked up. The plumbing's ready to go. I mean, we're ready. It's just that electric. Anyways, we could get in here by Christmas. The electric went on today. But instead of rushing everything in here and doing all that, we still got to clean. We still need to clean the floors and all that stuff, a little bit of cleanup and things like that. So we're not going to rush anything. We're going to get in when we get in. And I know a lot of y'all said months back, oh, there's no way you're going to get in by Thanksgiving. Things just didn't line up. I mean, if things would have lined up, we could have been done a month ago, no doubt about it. Actually, from the first month, we got like 6 or 7 weeks behind waiting on my concrete guy to do up my slab. I mean, it was a bad deal, so technically we should have been done like 2 months ago. But like a lot of you know, things haven't lined up for us, the electric and I mean the flooring. Just haven't panned out. So our deadlines keep getting passed, but I mean, you can see the water's hooked up. We got a few other things I want to show you, but I don't want to do it all in this one video, make a real long video. So over the next few days, I'll be making videos on things that we have got done, and you guys could follow those updates. Hold on a second. You guys can follow those updates when I get them out. I've actually been sick like the last 3 or 4 days. There's the stomach virus going around. Two of my daughters got it. My wife got it. I got it. My mother-in-law got it. We've all just been like sick, bad sick. That's why I haven't posted a video in like 4 or 5 days. It's just been miserable. I'm still not over it completely. Those stomach viruses will kick your butt. I think I've lost like 7 pounds in the last 4 days, which a lot of it's water weight, obviously. And I can lose 7 pounds. It ain't gonna hurt me to lose 7 pounds. I ain't complaining about that one bit. But yeah, I've just been sick and have not had motivation or even able to come out here and do any videos for y'all. I apologize for that. But except for the one about the giveaway, I will be doing the giveaway this weekend. I'll pick a winner. And oh, if you guys didn't know, it's a 72-hour meal plan. Hey girls just came in.
I'm eating candy.
Okay, I'm eating candy. It's a meal plan I'm giving away. Brandy won that contest because of all of you. Thank you so much. She won the free entry fee for a year for our gym. 1 entry fee. You can see we got some of the furniture in too. So she did win because of you all. You all are awesome. Thank you so much. Brandy says thank you. What?
Yeah.
Yep, the water's on. They're excited about that.
And it's when it flushes.
Yeah, it's when it flushes too, they said. But anyways, Brandy won. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get out of here for today. They don't want me to do stuff for her. So, get out here for a second. I got a lot of things going on. Not 100% well yet, but I got things I got to start cleaning up around the house. I'm going to start getting all this mess cleaned up, and we're going to get ready for the porches being poured hopefully in the next week or so. We can move in before the porches are done. That's not a big deal. I'm not worried about that at all, but that'll be coming soon. So we're right there. We're right there. If they'd get the power hooked up, just get it hooked up. They actually... they say they're going to be doing it between 1 and 6 days. This is like day 4, so I'm guessing it's going to be after Christmas before they hook it up if they don't get out here this afternoon. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated on that. But yeah, so Sean, thanks a lot for reaching out to me and making things right. Sending me a crew over here that wants to work. That's the thing. Them guys busted it out. They didn't care. They were ready to work. They did a great job. And Sean explained to me how the weather, the temperature, they do like to keep it above 50 degrees, I think, just for stretching purposes for the carpet. Not necessarily the glue, but more for stretching the carpet, because I guess when it gets cold, it doesn't shrink, but it like shrivels up. It could cause waves and stuff. That's what I got out of the whole ordeal. Is basically the temperature was for stretching the carpet. I guess when it's warmer, you can stretch it and it'll stay tight. But like I told the carpet guy last time, we had heaters, and I have one in there right now. It's actually like 68 degrees in there right now, so he was good to go last time. I just don't think he was motivated to work that day. We got a big truck coming. I think he's gonna turn in here. Let me see. Yep, he's turning in here. We gotta get a product in. I'm gonna put Gabby up because Gabby will go crazy. But all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna put that footage of them laying the carpet in right now. I'll tell you what, these boys came to work, that's for sure. They're knocking it out. It's a different crew this time than there was last time. It's awesome. And they ain't scared to get in there and get dirty and get the job done. hope you all like it. And like always, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And click that little bell for notifications. That way you get notified whenever I do post new content, whenever I do get it out. But I'll be having more videos out over the next several days, so I'll be off work and I'm feeling better somewhat. So, all right, guys. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.